Hello everyone, Terry Kahuma here. Many of you people may have been in a situation where a bank, you could be having 20 million on your account, you could be having 200 million or 10 million. Then all of a sudden when you go on your mobile banking app, which are the normal banking apps nowadays, or you go to your ATM card, and then you try to withdraw the money, then you find that you have no money. When you go and inquire from the bank tells you that, oh, you no longer have any money. When you dig further, you find that an alert was sent to you, in that money was transferred to another person or another entity. Well, in this edition of Legal Tips, I'm going to discuss everything concerning whether you can sue a bank, what does this mean for you as a bank customer, and whether indeed you can sue any bank for bank fraud or money fraud. So, welcome to Legal Tips, and let's discuss all of this moving forward. Hello everyone, welcome back to Legal Tips. Many people are suffering in silence, where you go to a bank or you just all of a sudden receive an alert and you knew that on your bank account you had 50 million or 100 million Uganda shillings, and then it is transferred to another entity. I had a client one time whose money was illegally transferred to London Metropolitan University, and this was about 18 million. Whereas she knew that she had 22 million on her bank account. So 18 million was transferred to London Metropolitan University. Now, what is a legal tip here? Many times we should know that this is what is called fraud, because you are unjustifiably transferring money from my bank account to another person's account. Now, what is the definition of fraud? I've discussed fraud on this channel many times, and I'll say it again. Fraud, according to the court case of Frederick Zawe versus Orient Bank, the judge in that case stated what fraud was, and he defined fraud as the intentional perversion of the truth to make someone suffer as a result of your action. So basically, fraud is in relation to theft. It is taking away what does not belong to you and transferring it to someone else. Now, in this case, bank fraud or wire transfer fraud is a situation where banks they illegally transfer money from a particular person's account to another person's account. Now, we all had the common and most common cases last time, the other of Equity Bank. Equity Bank has been one of the biggest money fraudsters, or the biggest bank money fraudsters, where people have complained time and time again that their money has been transferred from their bank accounts to let's say different entities like schools or to different people, and therefore they cannot get their money back. Diamond Trust Bank, which is DTB Bank, Absa Bank, have also been culprits of this case. So what does the law say? If we can establish that this is wire transfer fraud or money fraud, then there you can take the following steps. Number one, please try and engage with a bank. Ask them that indeed, if you receive a debit alert that my money was transferred from let's say housing finance to, let's say, London Metropolitan University. Try and engage with a bank. Tell them that, you know what, I have evidence here that I've just